Welcome guys, in front of me I have NUBIA Red Magic 5S and I want to show you a few camera tips for this device. So at the first we are going to start from the zoom feature. As you can see, we got few presets: 1x, 3, 5 and 10x. If you want to go between this, for example 10 and 5, you have to pinch the screen with your two fingers like that and you will get this slider. As you can see, with this slider we can set, for example, 6x, 7, 8 or 4, and it looks very smooth to use this way of zooming in and out. After a few seconds, when you are not going to click anywhere, it will disappear. Next step, as you can see, we can use this shutter to take photo, but when you click and hold, you will take a series of the photos. And also it works when we use the volume buttons. So normally when you tap on volume up or down, you will take photo, but also we can click and hold to take the burst shot. Right now you can also quickly change brightness on your modes. So in the photo mode it looks like that. You have to click on the screen and then move this sun icon to make it automatically click on the screen once. And in the video mode it's also working. The same in the night mode. Oh no, actually right here it's not working, but in the portrait there is 100% that it will works. Yeah, as you can see it's working. So that was the way how to adjust the brightness level. If you want to change color of your photos, you can enable this filters from the upper bar. So you can pick any of this filter and then just take photo. When you go right here, you are able to use shutter delay. So we can take 3 seconds, for example, and after this time photo will be taken. Let me just turn it off and let's go right now for the settings. Right here we can find also a few options. We can, for example, change the resolution of the camera, so we can go for the 64 megapixel mode. And let's make small comparison. So we are going to take 2 photos with this 64 megapixel mode, and I think that with this mode we'll get more details than with this 16. Okay, let's make the comparison. Let's just enable the auto rotate screen to get better preview on the gallery. Yeah. Okay, so this photo was taken with the normal mode, and the second was taken with the 64 megapixel mode. And as you can see right here, we can spot definitely more details. Take a look right here and also right here. Okay, and right now we can go back for the settings, because we can use right here this option called touch to take photo. So right now there's another way to take photo by tapping on the screen. So we can use shutter, volume buttons, or tap on the screen. Okay, so that's all for the NUBIA Red Magic 5S. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.